Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete the Book Online page on Wix. Open the Wix editor for your site. Click Pages and Menu on the left side of the editor to open the panel showing all your site pages. Look for the Bookings Pages section in that panel. Hover over it and you'll see the Book Online page and other booking-related pages nested inside. While hovering over Bookings Pages, click the Actions icon next to it. This opens a drop-down menu. Click Delete Bookings from the drop-down. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click the Delete button in the confirmation dialog. The Bookings Pages section will disappear from your Pages and Menu panel, and all elements connected to Wix Bookings will be removed from your site. Now, check your site for any internal links pointing to the Book Online page update or remove them from your header menu and footer menu if needed. Use Preview mode to see how your site looks without the Bookings pages, then publish your changes. One important note, deleting Wix Bookings does not cancel any paid bookings plan. If you're on a paid bookings upgrade, you'll need to cancel it separately in your subscription settings to avoid continued charges. That's it. Thanks for watching.